Forest Boys.
Bro, I feel like I looked at myself and I'm like, damn, I kind of look old as fuck.
Oh, spin move.
Damn, Jim's coming, bro. Fuck. My fucking hands are...
Bro, what was even that?
What's that, bro? It's looking kind of cold out, bro. I thought y'all said it was nice.
Bro, it is nice out. It's because we're in the shade, bro. We're in the shade.
That's why.
All those times I used to trip, that don't mean shit to me now. All those times I used to trip, that don't mean shit to me now. Said you wanna show me, two turns so can't hold me. I just need my bro, I just need my shorty. All my brothers holy, my clear on me cozy. I came from the woods, yeah, the forest chose me.
I can't wait till summer when things are actually like green and shit, bro.
I swear.
I'm a B. I'm a BB. Beatbox.
Shut your ass.
Let's fucking make a YouTube channel. Stranded in the woods for 24 hours. In today's videos, we're gonna sponsor Beatbox.
Yeah, me too, bro.
Bro, there's steps. It means we gotta go up there.
Holy shit. He really wants to go. Wait, I want to check this out real quick. Drunk, bro?
I'm low-key fucking drunk as a bitch.
Drinks,
Bro, we should do a
music.
fucking, what is it called? We should do a trip every summer, bro, and call it Man Camp, bro. That'd be fire,
Splendid
bro.
idea, bro.
And if I can buy alcohol, we're fucking good, bro.
That fake ID coming clutch, bro. Imagine we just see like a fucking fish just swollen, bro.
Bro, what you do is if you see a shark right here, bro.
Why the
Hell no, bro.
Wait, is it spinning or what?
Nah, I'm just fucking baked, bro.
Oh, nah, bro. It's all good, bro.
What?
Bro!
Tarnished.
Bro.
Bro, it says when the beatbox was born, bro.
Bro, I want to climb that.
Bro, that's
Jim,
so
step on the platform. Bro. Hold up, break the whole thing down, bro.
Oh my god.
This is an ice drink.
fire. You're not gonna lift that, bro.
I need a show for that shit, bro.
Alright, so you can give me.
Oh my.
I thought it would be much.
Shit was unsatisfying.
Oh shit.
Bro, let me climb it, bro. I'll do it, bro. I'm not scared. Go down. Go down. I'll climb it.
Thank you, bro. Yeah. Appreciate it.
This is where the journey ends, bro.
Bro, you gotta get lower, bro.
Bro,
are you okay?
Get up, bro. Get up.
Fuck, bro. The beatbox got me fucking up, dog.
Just backwards, bro. Holy shit,
I'm like sinking over here.
Yo! Bro should model for Skims, bro.
what?
They had like security attacks, bro, where they like came in with like AKs, bro.
Really?
Yes, dude.
Damn.
Yo!
Wait, what is going on, bro?
Forest Boys.
Is this a Nerf bullet, bro? Someone else having a Nerf bullet out here, bro.
Why is he trying all of his effort, bro? Bro, I hope he doesn't fall backwards, bro.
Bro, he would actually die, bro.
Yeah, bro, chill, bro.
You don't gotta prove nothing, bro.
Nobody doubted you, bro.
We believed in you from the jump, bro.
Made it. That's crazy, bro. That's looking insane, bro. It's like 40 feet, bro.
Crazy, bro. Damn near completely vertical, bro.
That's actually hilarious. Fix that bitch
Oh.
up and like put some lights in that
bro.
shit, bro. Bro, you just put that shit right up.
Snapchat, she work of art. Ass fat think she a star. Listen to the ends go roar. I got the money, the status, the power, the peace. That's the Fantastic Four. You know I'm poppin', so you can be fucking with me. No, not anymore. Man, I play so hard on tour. Cause I bought those seats on the court. Put your whole damn body on the floor. Better hide them drugs in a drawer. Baby on force to the core.